In this video, I'll show you how to get the SportsFire app on your Firestick TV, so you can watch live sports and highlights right from your device. Before we start, I recommend connecting to a VPN, like NordVPN, for a safer and smoother experience. NordVPN keeps your connection secure, protects your privacy, and even has threat protection and a kill switch to ensure your data stays safe. You can use the link in the description to try NordVPN while setting up SportsFire or any other app on your Firestick. Now, let's begin. From your Firestick home screen, go to the Find section and open the search bar. Start typing Downloader in the search field. Once you see the Downloader app appear in the results, select it. Click Get or Download, depending on your Firestick version, and wait for it to install. You'll notice a notification in the bottom right corner when the installation is complete. After Downloader is installed, open the app. Inside Downloader, you'll see a URL or search box. Here, you need to enter the SportsFire downloader code, 5,709,452. Press Enter or Go, and the app will start downloading the SportsFire APK to your Firestick. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments, so be patient while the file downloads. Once the SportsFire file finishes downloading, select Install. The installation process will take a few seconds, and when it's complete, you'll see the option to choose Done. Do not click Open just yet. Instead, return to the Downloader app and click Delete to remove the installation file, freeing up space on your Firestick. Confirm Delete once more to complete the cleanup. Now, go to your Apps and Channels section on your Firestick. Scroll through your list until you find the SportsFire app. Select it to open, and give it a few seconds to load the first time. Once loaded, you can start browsing live sports, highlights, and your favorite sports channels directly from your Firestick. To make sure you stay protected while using SportsFire or any other streaming app, keep NordVPN connected. With NordVPN, your traffic is encrypted, your IP is hidden, and you can even access content from different regions safely. It's fast, reliable, and easy to use on Firestick, so you can enjoy your apps without worrying about security. You can find the link to NordVPN in the description below and start protecting your connection today.